Hello, my name is Linda Wheeler, and this is my house and new bathroom that was just completed by Kitchen and Bath. Previously, we did not have a shower. That in general the room was just out of date. Kitchen and Bath completely redid the bathroom. We worked with them and they were very helpful in the design of the cabinets and the colors, and did the work very quickly, so we were very happy with that. And so in general, the whole project, we've just been something special for us, and we really enjoy it.
My name is Greg Wheeler, my wife here, and as she said, this bathroom was, our previous bathroom was really out of date. We had a shower that went along this wall, and we came back and made this much more bright and open, and we really enjoyed the tile work that the technicians did. It was really nice tile work. We really enjoyed the tile work, and so we've had a great experience with everything that they put together for us, and you wouldn't go wrong with Kitchen and Bath.